In this question, it is given an object of mass 100 kg. So here we have an object and it is a mass of how much? 100 kg. Is accelerated uniformly with the velocity of how much? 5 meter per second. So उसकी initial velocity कितनी है? 5 meter per second. And it is accelerated from 5 meter per second to 8 meter per second. That is final velocity कितनी है? 8 meter per second की. And this took place in a time period of how much? 6 seconds. Now they are asking you calculate the initial and final momentum. Okay. And also they have asked you to find the magnitude of force exerted on the object. Clear hai? So initial momentum, final momentum, and also they are asking you what we say is force. Okay. चलो देखते हैं how to go with this. So yeah. So let's to figure out any numerical, it is very important कि आप सारे given points को note कर लो. Okay. So mass is given as how much? Nothing but the 100 kg. फिर object का जो initial velocity था वो क्या था? 5 meter per second. Final velocity is given as how much? 8 meter per second. And this all took place in a time period of how much? 6 seconds. Okay. They have asked you initial momentum, right? Also they have asked you the final momentum and also they have asked you the force. So ये कुछ आपसे पूछा है. Let's go one by one. इसको find करते. So starting with initial momentum. Do you guys know what is the formula for initial momentum? Yes, very good. Mass into initial velocity. ठीक है. तो mass into what? Initial velocity will give you initial momentum. So mass कितना है हमारे पास? Mass is how much? 100. What was the initial velocity? It was 5. So can I say initial momentum मेरा कुछ 500 kg meter per second हो जाएगा? Yes or no? यही होगा ना. Initial momentum I just got it. Initial momentum is nothing but 500 kg meter per second. Clear है? Next final momentum पे आते हैं. Mass into what? Final velocity. Mass कितना है हमारे पास? It is given as 100. What about final velocity? It is 8. So this will be turn out as what? 800 kg meter per second. So ये हमने क्या फाइंड कर लिया? फाइनल वेलोसिटी जो है वो फाइंड कर लिया. क्लियर है? यस. दिस टू आर डन. नाउ दे हैव आस्क्ड यू फोर्स. Do you guys know what is the formula for force? Mass into acceleration, right? But do we know the acceleration? नहीं ना बच्चा. Acceleration तो नहीं पता है. So हम पहले क्या करेंगे? Acceleration का formula apply करके acceleration find करेंगे. And then only we can substitute. But obvious सी बात है. So 8 minus 5 divided by time period of how much? 6 second. So ये कुछ 3 by 6 हो जाएगा. That is nothing but 1/2. 1/2 is also equals to 0.5. मैं इसकी यूनिट्स को यहाँ पे मेंशन कर रही हूँ. मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. तो कैन आई से देयरफॉर मेरा जो एक्सेलरेशन है वो 0.5 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर हो गया. अब हम इसको सब्सटीट्यूट कर देंगे. मास इज गिवन एज हाउ मच? 100. एंड एक्सेलरेशन कितना है बच्चा? 0.5 है. अच्छा मल्टीप्लाई करते नंबर को नंबर से. 5 कितने जा? 1 जा. इट्स नथिंग बट 5. इसके 2 0. क्या कहीं पे डेसिमल था? यस था. तो पीछे से आओगे तो एक डिजिट के बाद डेसिमल था, तो हम इसको पीछे से आएंगे और इधर पॉइंट लगा देंगे. गॉट इट हाउ टू गो विद दिस? यस. सो देयरफॉर फोर्स जो है वो कितना है? 50 न्यूटन. क्लियर है? सो आई होप you guys are clear with the solution. If you have any kind of doubt and if anything is not clear, so you can mention in the doubt in the comment session. We'll try to answer this. Clear hai? Okay, so yeah, that was all from my side. We'll meet up in next class. Thank you.